everybody. Hey, we've got two more panels here. This one is called Eau de Vie, Water of Life, and this one is called Eau de Vie with a question mark because of the net. There's a glimmer of hope because one of the fish, an angelfish, has escaped through the net. And there's quite a lot of work in this one. I make the eyes first, got pots of eyes, then the fish, then the background is the peacock and the light aqua on clear, 2 sheets, 2 ply, and then the net is also on clear, and what it's done is it's diluted the peacock blue where it's behind, which I really like. And best of all is the fact that it's pushed the horizon line, which was straight before it was fired, it's pushed it up, so you really get a sense of the boat pulling the net up. I think it's a great success. It's my bestseller. I've made it lots of times. Of course, it always comes out different with the different fish. And there's an accompanying verse which explains the situation, and it goes like this. Eau de Vie. 2/3 of our planet is covered in water. So given that fact, don't you think that we ought to restrain ourselves, preserve our wishes, and save a bit for all the fishes? For those of you who wish to dissent, I do know that it's 72%.